Question number 33. An electric current is formed by moving charge carriers, which is not a possible charge on a charge carrier. See, a charge carrier should always have a multiple of the electron. It should not be an integral multiple of an electron. It should not be something like half an electron, one third of electron. All this do not exist, right? So therefore, now if you look at this here, if I write n here, so how much multiples? Let us say for example 4.8. 4.8 is equal to what? 1.6 multiplied by 3, right? So therefore this can have 3 electrons. I hope you are getting this. If I take, for example, I'll detail it in little more way. So if I say this is your charge q, if I divide this by the value of E, which is 4.8 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, what is the answer you get? This goes away, this becomes 3 over here, a whole integer. So that's what I have written 3 here. In a similar way, when you start writing for each one of them, what do you get here? For example, here you might get this answer as 1.5. Here 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, which would be 2 over here. 3.2 divided by 1.6 would be 2 over here. See, sorry, here it is 1, here it is 1 and here it is 2. See, in all these cases, this could be a charge carrier, this could be a charge carrier, this could be a charge carrier. Of course, you can say this is minus 3, this is minus 1.5. See, which means that you can have a charge carrier to be made out of 3 electrons. You can have a charge carrier made out of 1 electron and 2 electrons over here. Okay, 2 positive charges, but it cannot be something like 1.5 electron. You cannot break an electron, right? So therefore, B is the right answer, because he is asking you which is not a possible charge carrier. That's what we call as quantization of charge. Okay, the property of quantization states electrons can be in whole number integer or it cannot be there. Okay, so therefore it cannot be something like a half integral or quarter integral, one third and so on. Fraction cannot be there. Okay.